The museum is closed. Sundays. 5 seconds to choose. On. The museum is closed on Sundays. The children play outside. The afternoon. 5 seconds to choose. In. The children play outside in the afternoon. Could you meet me? Lunchtime. 5 seconds to choose. At. Could you meet me at lunchtime? I left my keys. The kitchen counter. 5 seconds to choose. In. I left my keys in the kitchen counter. I waited for you. The bus stop. 5 seconds to choose. At. I waited for you at the bus stop. The flight leaves. 7 a.m. 5 seconds to choose. At. The flight leaves at 7 a.m. It rained heavily. April. 5 seconds to choose. In. It rained heavily in April. The concert starts. Midnight. 5 seconds to choose. At. The concert starts at midnight. There's a stain. Your shirt. 5 seconds to choose. On. There's a stain on your shirt. I last saw him. October. 5 seconds to choose. In. I last saw him in October. We're going. Holiday next week. 5 seconds to choose. On. We are going on holiday next week. The ship is sailing. The sea. 5 seconds to choose. On. The ship is sailing on the sea. Who is that person waiting? The door. 5 seconds to choose. At. Who is that person waiting at the door? Look. Me. 5 seconds to choose. At. Look at me. Turn left. The traffic lights. 5 seconds to choose. At. Turn left at the traffic lights. We celebrated her birthday. August 2nd. 5 seconds to choose. On. We celebrated her birthday on August 2nd. She lives. Small village. Mountains. 5 seconds to choose. In. On. She lives in small village on mountains. He is. The office. 5 seconds to choose. At. He is at the office. I saw you. The market. 5 seconds to choose. At. I saw you at the market. He rarely works. Weekends. 5 seconds to choose. On. He rarely works on weekends.